You must be wondering, what am I eating? It's a healthy snack bowl, which I made them from my leftover oatmeal this morning. You know, sometimes you just cannot finish your oatmeal for breakfast, but you don't want to waste it. So today I'm going to show you how I turn that into these healthy snack bowls.
Run away, and I know I'm right now. We can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Everything you're fighting for.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out my previous recipe for homemade crepe and mixed fresh fruit jam if you didn't do it already. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and I'll see you next time.